How to delete Snapchat account permanently. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. So let's dive in. First, open your Snapchat and then you have to click this profile icon in the top left corner. And now you simply have to click this settings gear and it's going to load this menu. In this menu, scroll down until you see the option of help. And here in the support section, you'll find this help option. Click I need help. And now it's going to open the support page for you. And in this search bar, you have to search delete my account. And you have to just simply click delete my account. And then you have to just click Snapchat accounts portal over here. And then it's just going to open this page and you have to click delete my account once this loads. And here you can see you have this option of delete my account. Click it. And once you click this option, it's going to bring you to this page. In this page, you have your username over here. Just put in your password and then click continue. And that's the process that you can follow to delete your Snapchat account permanently. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.